Heart disease is the #1 killer worldwide, but the fight against it starts in your kitchen, not the hospital. Have you ever wondered if your next meal is helping or hurting your heart? The confusion is real, but today, we're cutting through the noise. I'll reveal 5 powerful, delicious foods you can add to your diet to protect your heart. No bland health food here. This is about adding life to your years, not just years to your life. Let's dive in and make choices your future self will thank you for. Breakfast can truly make or break your heart health. It's the first opportunity of the day to nourish your body and set the stage for a day of vitality. What you choose to eat in the morning can have a profound impact on your cardiovascular system, influencing everything from cholesterol levels to blood sugar control. A heart-healthy breakfast provides sustained energy, reduces cravings, and supports overall well-being. And when it comes to heart-healthy breakfasts, oats are the unsung hero. They're a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place on your morning menu. Oats aren't just filling, they offer a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond simple satiety. They're packed with beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that's particularly beneficial for heart health. This remarkable fiber acts like a sponge, working diligently within your digestive system. It plays a crucial role in soaking up LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and effectively escorting it out of your body, preventing it from accumulating in your arteries. Numerous studies have consistently shown that regular oat consumption can significantly lower cholesterol levels, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular profile. Incorporating oats into your daily diet is a proactive step towards maintaining optimal heart health. Beyond cholesterol reduction, oats also play a vital role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and promoting sustained energy throughout the morning. By regulating blood sugar and reducing cholesterol, oats significantly reduce your risk of developing heart disease and type 2 diabetes, 2 major health concerns that can be mitigated through dietary choices. Make a conscious effort to swap sugary cereals, often laden with empty calories and artificial ingredients, for a wholesome bowl of oats. This simple substitution can make a world of difference, giving your heart a strong and healthy start to the day. One of the best things about oats is their versatility. You can easily customize them to your liking by topping them with a variety of delicious and nutritious ingredients, such as fresh or frozen berries, or a sprinkle of nuts, adding healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. For a savory twist, consider adding a poached egg, transforming your oatmeal into a protein-packed and flavorful meal. Consistency is absolutely key when it comes to reaping the benefits of oats. Make it a regular habit, not just a one-time fix. Incorporate oats into your breakfast routine several times a week to experience their full potential. If you're often short on time in the mornings, overnight oats are a fantastic solution. Simply mix rolled oats, your choice of milk, dairy or non-dairy, and your favorite fruits in a jar or container the night before. Refrigerate it overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a ready-to-eat, heart-healthy breakfast waiting for you. This seemingly simple change can ripple through your entire day, making it easier to make other healthy choices and stay on track with your wellness goals. When you start your day with a heart-healthy breakfast like oats, you set a positive tone for everything that follows, influencing your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. Remember, your heart works tirelessly for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Fuel it right with the nutrients it needs to thrive. It's important to remember that small daily choices, like choosing oats for breakfast, can add up to big, long-term benefits for your heart health and overall well-being. Invest in your health, one delicious and nutritious bowl of oats at a time. Your heart will undoubtedly thank you for it, now and for years to come. Let's talk dinner, that sacred time of day when we gather, nourish our bodies, and connect with loved ones. But tonight, let's focus on making dinner not just a tradition, but a powerful tool for heart health. Specifically, let's dive into the world of fatty fish, starting with the ever-popular salmon. Its vibrant color and rich flavor are just the beginning of its benefits. Don't forget about mackerel, with its distinctive taste, and sardines, those tiny nutritional powerhouses often overlooked. These oily fish are nutritional gold mines. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own. They're the key ingredient in this heart-healthy recipe. These omega-3s work wonders by reducing inflammation throughout your body, especially in your arteries. Think of them as tiny pacifiers, soothing irritated blood vessels. They also play a crucial role in lowering triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood that, when elevated, can increase your risk of heart disease. And perhaps most importantly, omega-3s help prevent irregular heartbeats, also known as arrhythmias, ensuring your heart keeps ticking in a steady, reliable rhythm. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of heart disease, silently damaging your arteries over time. It's like a slow-burning fire within your cardiovascular system. But omega-3s act like a fire extinguisher for your arteries, dousing that inflammation and helping to keep your blood vessels clear and healthy. The American Heart Association, a leading authority on cardiovascular health, recommends incorporating at least 2 servings of fatty fish into your diet each week. So, think salmon for dinner, perhaps grilled with lemon and herbs, or a classic tuna salad for lunch, made with light mayonnaise and whole wheat bread. Cooking fish is easier than you think, and it doesn't require fancy techniques or complicated recipes. Simplicity is key. Try sheet pan salmon with your favorite veggies, drizzled with olive oil, and a simple sprinkle of salt and pepper. It's a complete meal on one pan. Bake for just 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. It's a quick and healthy weeknight dinner solution. Not a fan of fish or simply struggling to meet the recommended 2 servings per week? Consider a high-quality fish oil supplement as a convenient alternative. But remember, food is always best. Whole foods provide a wider range of nutrients and benefits that supplements simply can't replicate. Next time you're craving sushi, skip the fried rolls, those tempting tempura creations that are often loaded with unhealthy fats and empty calories. Instead, go for salmon or tuna sashimi or nigiri. These options provide a concentrated dose of omega-3s without the added baggage. Every bite is a step toward a healthier heart, a delicious and satisfying way to nourish your cardiovascular system. Omega-3s are your delicious insurance policy against heart disease, a proactive step you can take to protect your most vital organ. Make fatty fish a regular and enjoyable part of your week. Experiment with different recipes and preparations to find what you love. Your arteries will thank you for the added protection, and you'll be investing in a healthier, happier future for yourself. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, arugula, these aren't just salad staples, they're nutritional powerhouses, brimming with benefits that extend far beyond simple vitamins. They're a cornerstone of a heart-healthy diet and a delicious way to boost your overall well-being. Our blood pressure's best friend. They offer a natural approach to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. They're packed with dietary nitrates, a naturally occurring compound, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a vital molecule that plays a crucial role in cardiovascular health. Think of it as a natural relaxant for your blood vessels, relaxing and widening blood vessels for smoother blood flow. This improved blood flow helps to reduce the pressure against your artery walls. Lower blood pressure means less strain on your heart and arteries. It allows your heart to pump more efficiently and reduces the risk of damage to your arteries over time. High blood pressure is a silent danger, often showing no symptoms until it's too late. It's a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and other serious health problems. But greens help keep your arteries flexible and clear. They combat the buildup of plaque and promote overall vascular health. They're also rich in potassium and vitamin K, essential nutrients, supporting heart health from multiple angles. Potassium helps balance sodium levels, further contributing to healthy blood pressure, while vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Not a salad fan? No problem. There are plenty of other ways to incorporate these greens into your diet. Blend spinach into smoothies, masking the flavor while still reaping the benefits. Wilt kale into soups, adding a boost of nutrients to a comforting meal. Or toss greens into pasta sauce. They'll cook down and blend in seamlessly, adding a hidden layer of goodness. Kale chips are a crunchy, healthy snack alternative. They satisfy your cravings while providing a dose of vitamins and minerals. Aim for 1 to 2 servings of leafy greens daily. That's about 1 to 2 cups. Sneak them in wherever you can. Get creative and find ways to incorporate them into your favorite dishes. The more you experiment, the easier it gets. You'll discover new and delicious ways to enjoy these nutritional powerhouses. Leafy greens are a simple, powerful way to manage blood pressure naturally. They're an accessible and affordable way to improve your heart health. Don't underestimate the power of a handful of greens. Even a small amount can make a big difference in your overall health. Make them a daily habit. Incorporate them into your routine and enjoy the long-term benefits. Your heart will feel the difference. You'll be taking a proactive step towards a healthier and happier you. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. are nature's candy and your heart's protectors. They're loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which fight oxidative stress and inflammation, key drivers of artery damage. Regular berry eaters have lower risks of heart attack and better blood vessel health. Berries also help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and provide fiber for blood sugar control. Keep frozen berries on hand for smoothies, oatmeal, or a quick snack. Mix up your berry choices for a full spectrum of antioxidants. Swap out sugary snacks for a bowl of berries to satisfy your sweet tooth and protect your heart. It's the easiest, tastiest upgrade you can make. Eat a colorful variety for maximum benefit. Your arteries will love you for it. When snack cravings hit, reach for nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, plant sterols, and L-arginine, all of which lower cholesterol and improve blood vessel function. They're also packed with fiber and protein, keeping you full and stabilizing blood sugar. Portion control is key. A small handful, about 1 ounce, is perfect. Pre-portion nuts into snack bags to avoid overeating. Choose raw or dry roasted, unsalted varieties for the healthiest option. Skip the candy-coated or heavily salted versions. Nuts are a smart, satisfying alternative to processed snacks. Keep them at your desk or in your bag for a heart-healthy pick-me-up. Every handful is a step toward better heart health. Make nuts your go-to snack. Your heart and your energy will thank you. There you have it. 5 simple, delicious foods to protect your heart. Start your day with oats, enjoy fatty fish, load up on leafy greens, snack on berries, and reach for nuts. It's not about restriction, but about adding more of the good stuff. Every meal is a chance to invest in your heart's future. Make these choices daily, and your heart will reward you for years to come.